Welcome back to the channel. Got a little snow. Gonna check in on the Corolla. It's been about 3 weeks. Start right up. Yep. Yeah, it's been 3 weeks. The last update video I did. So the battery's holding up, and it is like 19 degrees. Oh, it says 26 here. Oh, because I'm inside the garage. Let's jump into RAV4. We'll let this run a little bit. Jump into RAV4, see what it says in there. It's 26 here. But it's not directly outside. Let's see the miles here. 481,826. Let's jump into RAV4 real quick. Isn't this great? Gloves are in here. And start it right up too. $18 degrees. Still gotta shovel a little bit more. Well, he didn't really shovel anything. Let's check back on Corolla. So it's been 3 weeks. Car just sitting. It's moving a little bit. Temperature. And it's not charging. Alright, because it does not need to continuously charge the hybrid battery set up to a certain point. Now it's only concerned with warming the engine up. So hybrid battery, lithium ion for the Toyota Corolla is holding up. This is a 2019. This is a 2020. I purchased the car in 2019. It's a 2020 Toyota Corolla hybrid. Original hybrid battery. The 12-volt battery did go on me. All right, this is not the one that's made for the Corolla. This is the only one I had available when it died. So I grabbed this one, and it worked just fine. It's not in a proper shape to fit the container or the holder that it's held in, but she seems to be holding up. 016 oil. 016. All right. Sometimes you can use 020. I've used 020 probably 3 times. All right, but now I only use 016. You cannot use 530 or any of those oils for the Toyota hybrids. You have to use the 0 oils. 016. And so she's holding up. Engine's still warming up. So no signs of her giving out. No signs of her failing. That is the update. No major issues. Now, I have not been driving her. Shift's fine. All the gears appear to be in proper order. Engine sounds the same. Now it doesn't sound like a brand new engine, but Toyota engines, as they age, they get noisy. You start to experience some leaks in the top of the engine. You might have some oil on the spark plugs, not much. I haven't seen the valve cover gasket actually leak yet. I've been seeing a little bit of oil on the plugs, not much. Really doesn't affect the oil level that I can see. No leaks under the engine for the oil. I haven't noticed yet with over 481,000 miles. Transmission fluid leaks. I haven't noticed any transmission fluid leaks. Engine seems to be settling down. Should be at the normal operating temperatures. Let's go check that out. Alright, the temperature has adjusted and it's now reading 22. Well, it was off for 3 weeks. And that's what you see there is just an estimate. Car has not been driven, so just calculating what it's idling at or some other number, but it has not been driven yet, so that is not the accurate miles per gallon. And we're at 481,826. Let's get over to the battery. And a better display over here though. Alright, so it's in the morning time. We had some snow last night. No issues. These things are going to last you. If you get a Corolla, I would hope the RAV4 would hold up, just the same. I would think so. It's roughly the same engine size, same oil, and I believe it's the same filter. I'm about to find out. About to do the oil change. I'm gonna switch cars. This will probably be my last oil change for the coldest parts of the winter. My next oil change should be, for the RAV4, should be February 20th, around there, February 20th. So I think that's near the end of the extreme colds, over here in the Northeast anyway, in the United States. So I think the coldest months are like the middle of January to around the end of February. Around the end of February, it should start to not be in the teens and 20s, hopefully. So it's charging again. That's the AC, the noise you're hearing. Not the AC, but the heat. Have it on toward me and toward my feet. So periodically, charges and not charges, because the battery's nearly full. It doesn't really need to charge the battery because it's going to get more power from the regen braking and the engine being on. Alright, that's what it's calculating now, but that's not the actual miles. If I start driving it, it will go up to 40 something, mid 40s. High 40s, probably 45 to 52, something around there. All right, so that's the update. Corolla appears to be starting up fine after 3 weeks. And we got to take her out anyway because we got to switch. We got to do the oil change in the RAV4. So this will probably be my last oil change for the coldest months of the winter of 2025. All right. Now, if you're searching for particular topics on the Corolla, I believe I have playlists. If I don't, I'll make some. You can just type my name in, Michael L. Rhodes. You can put transmission next to it, Michael L. Rhodes transmission, Michael L. Rhodes maintenance, Michael L. Rhodes Corolla, Michael L. Rhodes RAV4, and different videos should show up on my channel. Just put the channel name, which is Michael space L space Rhodes. Rhodes is spelled R-H-O-D-E-S. Well, it's getting a lot of the snow off, but not all of it. We just needed most of it off. Lastly is the heat blast, and I'm sure it's not going to do much. It's mostly snow free. Quick tip. I had these laying around. This is the one that's coming off the RAV4 now. It's the S2878XL, and this is the part number that's normally for the Toyota Corolla 4967. Now I know there are better filters than these. Well, these are ones I have currently. Now they are identical. There's some way that they're different, but the diameter outside and inside are the exact same. I looked it up on both their websites, STP and Fram, and 4967 kept coming up, and this number I didn't see really available, 2878. So if you have a Corolla or RAV4, well, I have two hybrids. I think they're for the gasoline also. You'll probably see this number, 4967, or you may see this number, 2878. They are identical. I looked them up on their websites, and for the Corolla and for the RAV4, they're showing 4967. All right, now there are better filters out there, apparently. I've been told in the comment section, but this is what I have right now. I'll be saying bye to this garage soon, so I won't have a shelter to do my auto repairs. I have to be very strategic in the future. Got about a month and 2 weeks left until I lose this garage. Just doing an oil change now. Relatively simple, relatively quick. Of course, I have the Mobil 1 016 All right, Mobile 1 full 16. Mobile 1 full synthetic 016. Gonna miss having a shelter to work on my car, but I think it's worth it. I'm improving and gotta suffer a little bit, so I'll take that.